All right, guys, welcome back. This is Boots with Cyborg team, and today we got another Royal Kludge keyboard. I'm developing an unhealthy obsession with these guys' keyboards. They're great quality. They come in all different types of form factors. So today I have the Royal Kludge RK84 RGB. Now, as the name suggests, it has 84 keys and it's running for about 80 bucks on Amazon right now. Check the link in the box. Now, 84 keys, that's almost a TKL keyboard. It's almost a 10 keyless with 84 keys. Well, 10 keyless usually have 87, so we're missing a few, but we have a more compact size. You can use this wireless via Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz dongle, which I'm excited for, or you can use it in wired mode. Now, hot swap keys. That's awesome. We're going to open this up. We're going to check to see which switches this thing has, but it's hot swappable. It's also swappable between 3 devices. You can have 3 devices connected to this at the same time and then easily switch between the 3 using a quick key command. It has NK rollover, so you can mash all the buttons at the same time if you want. That's perfect for gamers. It has a 3750 milliamp battery. That's pretty big, and something like that, it's saying that it'll charge in about 6 hours from 0 to 100. And with a full battery, you should get about 200 hours of use time on the keyboard. And that rating is probably with the lighting off, so you can cut that number probably in half with the backlights on. This also has customizable keybinds via the software. Now, the software, we're going to check that in a different video after we do some mods and all kinds of stuff. But for today, let's crack in and see how this thing is. Typical Royal Kludge box, orange, yellow, and white. I'm not too mad at that. Let's see here. Okay, you're greeted with the user manual right on top. Oh, it's inside the packaging here. So let's take out the keyboard. Nice weight. What else we got? Oh, getting fancy on me. So, detachable cable, that's always a plus. USB Type-C to USB-A with cable management tie. So you got a bag of goodies here. These are extra switches. And I got the red linears, of course. You get a keycap puller, wired, with the switch puller on the other end. Put that to the side. And what else we got? I don't know. Do these go on the bottom? I don't know. They look like they're magnetized feet. So, that means we don't have kick-up feet. And that's all we got in the box. Let's toss it to the side. Let's see, put our switches over here. And okay. Let's see. So user manual, we might need that. So one thing I did not know, it comes with like a removable trim. As you can see, it's already partially removed from shipping there. Let's snap that back on. And all right, first glimpse, this is nice and compact. I love this already. So on the back, we got USB Type-C and 2 USB-A's right there. On the front, some minimal RK Royal Kludge branding at the bottom. Get your 2.4 gigahertz dongle and just rubberized feet at the bottom. So I guess that's what these guys are for. Let's snap these on because I like a little bit of angle to my keyboards. So let's see, how do these work? Just snap on just like that. Okay, not mad at that. Let's check the angle. All right, not too bad. Now the keys. Pretty good. Typical Royal Kludge here. So I have another video where I am testing out the RK68. Now that keyboard is pretty much like this. It's way smaller because it doesn't have the F row of keys, and a lot of these keys are missing. So it's even smaller than this, and I couldn't do it. It was just too many keys missing that I use on a regular basis for me. But I get it, you know. The smaller the keyboard you got that you can get, man, go for it. This here, I think, will be the perfect iteration for me while I'm at home. Now at work, I need the numpad on the side, absolutely. But at home, I guess I don't need to be as fast as I am at work. But I at least use my F keys there. So what else we got on the side? Nothing on the sides. On the back here, let's go back to the back. So you got your two things over here. So if you're going to use it in wired mode, then you'll flip this switch to off. See if you can get that. You'll switch this to off. If you want it in wireless mode, you'll switch it to on. And then over here, you'll have it either in Bluetooth mode or 2.4 gigahertz dongle mode. So this is what the keyboard looks like with that trim on. Not mad at it, but let's look at it with the trim off. Is that easy to take off? It comes off very nice and easy. Is that magnetic? Let me see. It is not magnetic. You have to clip it in, but it's very easy to clip on and off. Okay. So put that to the side, and this is floating keycap look. I actually like it a little bit better with the trim on. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's put that trim back on. Yeah, I'm liking that a little bit, just a little bit better. It feels more complete. But if you're a super RGB fan, maybe you'll want that off because it'll shine through a little bit better. And we'll test that. Matter of fact, let's test that right now. Now I've used pretty much all the other newer Royal Kludge keyboards, and all of them with this dongle seem to work pretty good. They work up to about 20 to 30 feet away. So if you're looking for this to be in your living room or something, it'll be pretty good for that. So, but let's try it out. Supposedly I am in 2.4 gigahertz mode. So let's open this back up and try it out. And it's working very well. Okay, let's see how far this works up to. Pretty good right up close. About 10 feet away. Good. About 20 feet away. Very good. How's 30 feet? Perfect. Tell you what, guys, 2.4 gigahertz on these Royal Kludge keyboards is the truth. I would prefer the built-in kick-up feet over these magnetic feet, but I'll tell you what, the magnets are pretty good. I don't feel like they'll fall off accidentally. Let's try it. Look at that. Rigorous shake test, they ain't going nowhere. Let's see. And that's staying nice and firm. I'm trying to push the keyboard to make the feet fall off. They are not falling off. It's pretty good. So that's the Royal Kludge RK84 RGB with hot swap switches. I did not pull those switches out. Let's go. Let's do that first. It's a nice, easy target. I should probably turn the keyboard off first, but hey. And as I thought, these are, let's see if you can see that. It says RK right here. So these are Royal Kludge's in-house switches to keep the price down. Linear. Let's pop that back. Whoa. Pop that back in. Like so. Keycaps are shine through. Double shot. They're pretty shallow keycaps. ABS plastic. Again, this is the Royal Kludge 84. Has the removable trim if you're into that. Comes off nice and easy like that. Goes right back on easily. I prefer that look on there. Got 3 USB ports up there, 1 USB-C and 2 USB-A's. This is nice and compact. I got to get with the times. You know, us old heads are resistant to change. But hey, this is, I can work with this. Got off my F keys. Got all my numbers up top there. I'm going to get used to this one. We're going to mod this guy out in a little bit. So be sure to look for that video. But if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Other than that, this has been another one. Thanks for checking us out.